Another weed that we saw on this property, keep in mind this is a brand new customer, is, try not to kneel down on it, is sandbur. Sandbur is a hard to control, typically thought of as a summer annual, but in Oklahoma or in this region, sandbur can grow as a short-term perennial as well. So our plan for this lawn going forward is to knock this plant out with post-emergent products, and then keep on with a pre-emergent program to keep any new seed from germinating. There are some things that you can do to try to help pick up the burrs. You know, dragging bags, a cloth bag filled with rocks. You definitely want to bag when you mow. Probably go ahead and keep this pretty low through the first half of the year to try to collect all the burrs that you can, because those burrs will turn into new seeds. So it's a process. It takes a little while, but it's something that you can get rid of.